I've been going to a lot of conferences this year, and I go to a lot of conferences every single solitary year. Why? Because conferences are great. Why wouldn't you want to be at a great conference? Well, here's one of the things that I've been finding every single year when I go to conferences. I walk by all these tables, I see all of these guys, and then I find all these great notes and all these things that are happening. And then I talk to them weeks later, and I say, what did you do? What did you do? Well, I didn't do nothing. What, you bought that DVD? It's still wrapped up. Oh, yeah, it's still wrapped up. It's still sitting alone on a desk. By the way, this is Bill Herman with Creative License. Every week on Thursday, I come and see you. This time, I am live in Milwaukee, Wisconsin at Potawatomi Casino at the Midwest DJ Live Conference. This is their 10-year anniversary. And next year, it's 11, and they've already got the date set. The date set? When are they going to be? Let me tell you. It's April 28th and through the 30th, right here at the Potawatomi Casino Hotel here in Milwaukee. Now, the sound that you're listening to, you know that I'm a big EV guy, okay? And you're listening to the sound on EV Evolves. Okay, that's what they got, man. I'm a big EV guy, and I know it should be a part of it. Don't go home from a conference you were at and just let your stuff sit on the shelf. None of these guys and girls are going to do that. You shouldn't do it either. So when you get home, you make some notes. Be sure that you take your notes and you make some action plans. You take those action plans, you put them into some sort of a detailed deadline so you can be a part of it. And then you should be a part of a show next time. We are live. We are right here, just north of Chicago, in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.